So you just got yourself a GeForce RTX 5080. But before you install this GPU, you need to make sure that your power supply can handle it. According to Nvidia, you need a minimum power supply of 850 watts or above, but personally, I'll go for 1000 watts or above. Better still, why not get MSI's flagship premium power supply, the MEG Ai1600T PCIE5. Wow, look at this power supply. It comes with a 12-volt single rail at 133 amps, giving you a total power output of 1600 watts. What's more, it's certified 80 plus titanium and is fully ATX 3.1 and PCIe5 compliant. I love the quality of the braided modular cables that comes with copper connectors. You also get two color-coded VHPWR 16-pin PCI power cables, so you know when the cables are fully inserted into the GPU and power supply. It also comes with a 135mm double ball bearing fan for cooling and a dual native VHPWR connectors. Enabling the zero fan mode allows silent operation when TDP is below 55%, helping you save energy. Another feature I really like about the power supply is the USB-C port, which you can connect to the motherboard, and this allows you to monitor the PSU's health and power usage using MSI Center. You could even run two GeForce RTX 50 series cards side by side for heavy AI workloads with no issues at all. Power supplies often get overlooked, but it's one of the most important parts of your PC. If you're planning to upgrade to one of the latest GeForce RTX 50 series graphics cards, plus a power-hungry CPU, you need to protect your investment, so check out the MSI MEG Ai1600T PCIE5 power supply. Click on the link in the description for more information, and as always, give us a like, a share, and follow for more.